Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to another video here on my channel. Today I have something a little different because I was sent some items from Modelones to test out. So I'm just going to go through all of the items that they sent me. They sent me two different sizes of nail tips. One has a little bit more nail tips in it than the other. They also sent me their 3-function nail prep. So this is a primer and dehydrator all in one. They also sent me over a rubber base coat. This one is clear and it is pretty thick. It's good for a rubber base coat. I've never tried their rubber base coats before, so I was interested to try this one out. And they also sent me a set of color builder gels, which will double as base colors if you want to. So you don't have to use a base coat, you just use this. Now, when Modelones reached out to me to see if I wanted to try out their products, I said yes because I actually don't really own a lot of Modelones products. I have some of their cat eye magnets, and I believe I have maybe 2 or 3 of their gel colors. And then I've tried their top coat and base coat before, but that's it. So I've never really tried their color gels before, and I definitely have never tried any of their builder gels or rubber base coat. So I was definitely excited to try out these products. I am going to swatch 2 of these rubber base coat colors and swatch them. I'm going to swatch them on swatch sticks. And I want y'all to critique my application because I'm not really familiar with like builder gel that much. I'm still learning how to use it. I have a bunch of them, but I'm still learning how to use it. So I know that you put the slip layer down and then you go in with a bead before you cure it, and you kind of float it down, and then you can take a nail brush and just kind of push the gel polish around to the side walls. But y'all let me know, like, how's my application? I know it's not great, but definitely, you know, give me some tips, tricks, pointers, all of that stuff like that in the comments below. Another thing that they sent me was this 28 color polish set. It's actually 32 pieces because you get a base coat and you get a matte top coat, a regular top coat, and then a glitter like holographic top coat. But as far as the colors go, there are 28 different colors in here. I am actually going to create a nail set with these colors. Well, not all of them. I'm going to pick a few and create a nail set, and that will be in another video. So stay tuned for that. But before I created a nail set with these, I wanted to unbox everything, take a closer look at the colors, and then swatch them so we can see what we're working with. I think it's amazing that they included a black and a white in this set because you always need a black and a white polish. You can never have too many black and white polishes. As I said before, these products were sent to me to test out for an upcoming nail set, and the timing, it worked out perfectly, you guys, because they're currently part of the Prime Day sale. So you can get this 28 color gel polish set for 25% off, and Modelones will have deals for up to 70% off across their selected products. I'll leave the sale information below, and we're just going to go ahead and swatch all the colors. Also, they'll be in my Amazon storefront, so I'll leave a link to the Amazon, but it's also going to be in my storefront, so check my storefront. I will say, first impression, I am pleasantly surprised with these colors. As I said before, I don't have any Modelones colors. I think I have a brown and a green Modelones polish, and that's it. So I was definitely happy about these colors. I think they came out great. This is one coat. I only did one coat of each color. I will say that some of the colors does need 2 coats. The black definitely needs a second coat, but I only did one coat because it's just swatches. I did my swatches how I normally do. I swatched matte, and I used the Modelones matte top coat on the bottom side so I can see how it looks matte and then how it looks glossy. Now I'm going in with all of the more like brighter shades, and I tried to organize them in a rainbow way so you can see all the colors, and these colors are very bright, perfect for the summer. So if you need a summer collection of polishes, this might be right up your alley. So I'm going to let you finish watching the swatches, and then I'll come back for the outro. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the post notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And this one right here is the last color. So now that I've swatched all 28 colors from this set, now I have to figure out what kind of design that I want to create with them. So stay tuned for that video. I'm going to be using the polishes from this set, including the builder gels, to create a cute little nail set that's spring, summer, and very beginner friendly. Don't forget, if you're interested in this set, check out my Amazon storefront. They will be 25% off during the Modelones Prime Day sale, and they'll have discounts for up to 70% off on selected products. As always, all details will be linked in the description box. Thank you to Modelones for sending these over, and I want you to let me know in the comment section below if you've ever tried this brand before, because I'd be interested to know. And don't forget to hit all those buttons: like, comment, subscribe, hype, all of that. And I'll see you, or you'll see me in the next video. Bye guys.